Okay, welcome guys, and welcome to another piano lesson. And so today I'll be teaching you how to play Asian of Days using some sweet nice pattern chords. Okay, so what I was doing in the beginning, I was playing something la 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 ti do. Okay, so that's a passing chord to remain on C, because Ancient of Days, when you are playing Ancient of Days, is Ancients of Days, as old as you were. Okay, so before you get to the foot, I had to spend some time on C. So in spending that time there, we put I don't know what that's a passing chord, yeah, because actually a passing chord is a chord that's put in between two chords to make it beautiful. But now I'm remaining on one chord, okay, but I'm applying a passing chord. It can also be seen as a passing chord. Okay, so let's put it that way. So before I play something la ti do, when I'm playing la here with my left, I play F and C together with the right hand. When I'm playing C, that is B, I play G and D with my right hand. And when I go to C, I play G again with my and G and E with my left hand. So this is how it sounds. La ti do. So that's it. And then I spice it up with something like this. Okay, so that's how the beginning was. So Ancients of Days, yeah, as old as you are. Okay, so before I get as old as you are, I take because la ti do, okay, do as you are. Okay, so the as you are, I want to apply a passing chord before I get to the foot. Okay, so what I played was I played as you. So this is the passing chord I played the second and I played the third before I get to the foot. Okay, normally you could also play this. This is also a passing chord to get to the foot. Okay, then as old as you are. Okay, then before I want to get to the first chord, I went to the second, then I played this passing chord. Okay, it's like an A major. Okay, so you play this E, Z before you get to the two. This second inversion. This is our two. First inversion, second inversion. So we play something. So as you are, you never. I play something like this. Before I get to the feet. Okay. Okay, and the road continues. And it continues like that. So at the end of it, I play something like this. You will never change. So I play something. You I play this. As I'm playing this, I play this E, I play C and B, then I play G in my hand. When I go to E, to A, I play E and I play C. I went to B, I played that's all, guys. I hope you grab something from this video, and subsequently I'll be coming with more tutorials on worship songs, and may God bless you.